Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the delightful world of Thomas and Friends with the star of our show, the best Bruno Diecast toy train brake car. This charming push-along vehicle is designed for preschoolers aged 3 and up, and it promises endless hours of imaginative play. So, let's get started. First off, let's talk about design. Bruno is beautifully crafted from die-cast metal, which gives it a solid feel in little hands. It features bright colors and charming details that capture the essence of the beloved Thomas and Friends series. The design not only appeals to kids but also makes it easy for them to push and play without any frustration. One of the standout features of this toy is its compatibility with other Thomas and Friends tracks. Whether you already have a collection or are looking to start one, Bruno can easily connect to other engines, cargo cars, and playsets. This opens up a world of creativity, allowing kids to build their own tracks and scenarios. Now, let's discuss playability. Bruno is not just a pretty face. This toy encourages preschoolers to engage in imaginative storytelling. Kids can recreate their favorite scenes from the show or invent entirely new adventures. This kind of play is vital for developing fine motor skills and enhancing creativity. Another highlight of the Bruno train is its durability. Made with high-quality materials, it can withstand the rough and tumble of everyday play. Whether it's rolling down a homemade track or getting tossed into a toy box, you can count on Bruno to come out unscathed and ready for the next adventure. And let's not forget about the educational benefits. Playing with Bruno helps strengthen those all-important fine motor skills, as kids learn to grasp, push, and maneuver the train. It also promotes social skills when kids play together, fostering teamwork and sharing. In terms of value, at around $9.45, the best Bruno Diecast toy train offers an excellent balance between quality and price. With its engaging design, compatibility with other toys, and the benefits it brings to playtime, it's a fantastic addition to any child's toy collection. To wrap things up, if you're looking for a fun, durable, and educational toy for your little ones, the best Bruno Thomas and Friends Diecast toy train brake car is a fantastic choice. It's not just a toy, it's a ticket to a world of adventure and creativity. Thanks for joining us today on Product Critique. If you enjoyed this review and want to see more fun and insightful toy reviews, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Until next time, keep playing and keep exploring.